What's up, winners? Welcome back to another video at Stay Winning Podcast. If you're new here, my name is Hugo Alonso. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are recapping the NFT Cardano or the Cardano NFT market week 45. So let's go ahead and start with the price of Cardano. So over the last 7 days, it had a high of 41 cents and a low of 31 cents. Now we know this is happening, or this downward spiral is happening because of the news that's been going on and continue to go on with FTX and now crypto.com. So I'll be making another video related to that and let you know how that benefits Cardano. So good thing for me is I just keep on stacking right here. You know, I'm a Cardano maxi. After the events have been taking place, I'm actually very happy with my decision to stick with Cardano, as it shows the world that it's the true decentralized blockchain. Now, this video is for the NFT market. So over the last 7 days, the Ape Society remains one of the top 12 projects that in the NFT market. As you can see here on the JPEG store, we always have space butts on top. We're always near the top. And we had two new mints that I want to mention that took place this week. So the first one is the NFTSeeker tools. Currently, their floor price is at $257. So you're able to obtain one of these pieces. My understanding is that there are two other NFTs that you can connect together to create a whole new tool. So that's pretty neat. Something very new to Cardano. I don't think I will be buying one of these myself, at least anytime in the near future. But it definitely looks like a very promising project. They're very active in their community on Twitter and on Discord. So that dropped this week, week 45 of the Cardano NFT market. The second one, this one I did go ahead and mint. And if you want to get involved, they are still minting. This is the art. As you can see, I think it's really cute. So there are members of the team that networked and started networking from the Chilled Kongs Discord and the Chilled Kongs community. So Chilled Kongs holders went ahead and started their NFT project called Balloons. So as you can see, the floor price here is currently at 25 ADA, and it's a balloon. It's a balloon, it's a bull, so very creative. It's very new. I have not seen anything like this at all when it comes to NFTs across any blockchain. I think I might come get this one after the video. So in case you guys want to check it out, they are still minting. I'll be making a specific dedicated video solely to balloons, and I hope you guys check it out. And the mint is only 35 ADA at the moment, and they're still minting, so check them out. I currently have 3. I'll be doing a giveaway with one of these, and again, I'll be making a separate video just on balloons alone. That way we can get all your questions answered. Now, when it comes to the Cardano NFT market, over the last 7 days, the volume is 6.2, which is a 32% decline from the previous 7 days. Trades are also down, currently at 26,800, a decline of 33%. NFT sold, it's been a slow week for NFTs, and it hasn't been the best week for crypto at all, you guys. So these numbers are not surprising. That's currently at almost 32,000, which is a 19% decrease from 7 days ago. So you can just see the decline here. A little bit of spike when the balloons dropped and NFTSeeker dropped. But ever since the news has broken out from FTX, we can see the decline happening in the market. So now we go to CNFT Jungle and look at some statistics for Cardano over the last 7 days. All right, let's see here. So the ADA market volume, 4.9 million Cardano, which is equivalent to around 1.6 million United States dollars. And the amount of NFTs that have been sold this week are a little over 23,000. And again, most of those coming from the JPEG store. Pretty much all of them coming from the JPEG store. Don't forget that there's other markets out there for NFTs. Spadesbus has their own, which really helped their floor price. Dead Pixels is a newer one, and we have the some of the older ones like CNFT.io. So be sure to check this out in case you don't see something you like listed on secondary market on JPEG Store. You can take a look at CNFT.io and see if there's other options there for you. So that's it for the recap, you guys, of this NFT market, week number 45. Stay tuned for 2 additional videos, one regarding just balloons, and then the other one will be my thoughts on the FTX scandal that's going on, new details that you may not have heard of yet, and how that actually makes a good impact on the Cardano market. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. I hope you found this helpful and entertaining. If so, hit the like button, comment below, let me know that you're here. Thank you for tuning in.